Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bar graph in Excel, a fantastic tool for visualizing your data. So let's get right into it. I have a sample data set here with various events and the number of attendees for each. I will go ahead and select this data here. Remember, accurate data selection is key to useful graph, like getting the right coffee blend for your morning buzz. Go to the Insert tab, click on Charts, and select the bar graph option. There are various bar graph options to choose from. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will select this first one here. Excel will then draw the graph and insert it directly into your spreadsheet. Next, let's customize our graph to better fit our needs. Adjusting the graph's position is easy. Just click on the chart area, hold the left mouse button, and drag the graph to your desired location. You can also resize the graph by clicking and dragging the small circles at the corners of the chart area. Moving on to the graph title, which currently reads Chart Title. Let's make it more descriptive. Simply click on the title and you can type in whatever name suits your graph. Let's name our graph as Event Attendance 2024. But we are not done yet. Let's tweak the color and design to make our graph stand out. Click on the chart area, head over to the Design tab, and select Change Color to choose from various color options. Additionally, you can change the entire design of the graph by selecting from the Chart Styles option in the Design tab. Let's pick one that makes our data pop. Remember, an Excel graph is dynamic, meaning any changes in the data table will automatically update in the graph. For instance, if we adjust the value for the networking event from 180 to 210, you will see the graph update instantly to reflect this change. And that's it. That's how you create and customize a bar graph in Excel, making your data presentations both informative and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow tech tutorials. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.